DBS Sounds of Budget. Oh yeah. The budget's here for 2024, focused on growth and opportunities galore. Employment and skilling lighten up the way for MSMEs and middle class, a brighter day. 1.48 lakh crore is clear for education, employment, and skills to cheer. This year's budget shining so bright, skilling and progress taking flight. With funds allocated, the vision's in sight, building a stronger economy, reaching new heights. Empowering people, that's